Hi, I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here on board a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. It is the largest of the Conquest series, 425 outboards. It is a beast. Rear seat, fold down, easy to do. Now you've got your dive ladder for your side and your dive door. You've got a live well. You've got 2 fish boxes. You've got tables that are stored under this lid that'll pop up right here. So you can, have nice seating here as well as this side. It's one of the nice things back here, like if you are using it for cruising or if you're got a day where it's a little misty or whatever, you can put this awning out right above our head here. So you have a nice cooler here. You have a footrest with a seat, a multi-purpose seat where you can flip it one way or the other. Now if you're sitting at the dinette, you can do that. On this side, you have your grill, and the grill just goes right away easily. Just boom, and it's out of the way. This is new for this year, cable master for the 405. So automatic button where you can just pull the shore power right in and out. As you step forward, we got the teak inlay in the pilot house section here. This side you have your galley, so you have a single burner stove, sink, 2 refrigerators, automated table where I can take it up and down here. When you take it all the way down, then the seat will slide across and makes this whole thing a bed. One of the things that I really like on all the pilot house boats that we sell here, opening windows here where you can talk to a dock master or a attendant. Over on the port side here for your co-pilot, you have storage here for sunglasses, charging station. You've got a nice area here with a dual station, so you can leave the helm, come over if you're tying up on port side so you can see what you're doing a little easier. Everything transfers to work right over here. Then you've got your dual purpose 19-inch Simrads. It's got a Lumar bow thruster on this boat, so not only does it have joystick with skyhook mode, it also has a thruster to help move the boat around when you're in some tight areas. Over here is the Mercury skyhook mode right here in the center. You see it's on skyhook right now. And then this has got some sea deck here where you can lay your phones and stuff and it's not going to slide around. You do have a nice double berth underneath. You have storage closets. There is storage underneath the bed as well. On the port side here, as you're coming down the cabin, you got storage here. You have a convection ovens here. Nice area here for trash. You have a sink here. Nice stainless sink. Nice big hanging locker that's cedar line here. What I'm going to show you here is the port side entrance here to the head. So you have the nice vacuum flush toilet system. Of course, it's got overboard discharge if you're offshore. Sink, shower wand, nice stainless steel drain. Most cabin boats like this do not have a nice step on each side. So you got steps here, it makes it easier to make the bed. You got the natural lighting here as well. Fusion sound bar here, sound system, TV in here. So now I'm gonna come around the port side, and the starboard side is very, very similar to this. As I walk around, you can notice how high the rail is. The rail is also one piece, so the top rail is one piece, adds a lot of structural integrity to it. You've got a nice handrail here. Up here, you've got a nice big wakeboard rack. You got the hatches that open. You got a nice lounge system, and then you can raise it up and have a reclining back. It's all easy to get to. It's easy underneath. You can wipe it out, clean it. You get stereo, charging stations, and cup holders as you see here on both. You got your anchor locker here. It does have a remote control for the windlass up here, and it does have washdown. So our hard top here, you can see how everything is finished out on this boat. It's all balanced. It really looks good. Again, I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and I really appreciate you joining me today on the all-new 2026 405 Conquest. You can always contact us at www.marinemax.com or 910-256-8100 here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.